Hailstorm number 2. It's raining outside, so I can't go out, but she's collecting stuff. We have some stuff that we saved. Bunch of hail in there. Some in there. And there. Okay, and also there. Go get some more. Ooh, lightning. Go in the front.
Appetizer and dessert.
Oh my God, there's indents in my mom's car.
What?
Yeah, there's indents in there. I'm gonna go check the...
You just had sunshine all day and no rain, no wet, nothing.
Lucky!
What? What?
See all those black things? Those are holes.
Why'd you yell?
Because Sheila's got nothing. She didn't get anything. Dude, someone's outside on their bike.
What? Move. Move.
Oh, they just passed.
You're so evil on me.
No, stop. I'm going to send this to the news. Emily!
On the CBS News Money Watch.
Oh, God.
Go get some big ones, okay? And then put it in your hand and show the size of them. Go!
Where's mine?
Only get 4 big ones.
Don't get that wet.
I'm not. Kayla, you have 4? Okay.
Kids in El Dorado, Arkansas have started thinking about the big question. Who do you want to be, Allison, when you grow up? Unlike most first graders outside El Dorado,
Our awning totally ruined. Okay, coming. Okay. Only 4. Her hand, 10 years old. This hand, and mine now, 12 years old.
$50 million to take the promise to the people of this small
They're really, really big.
Where's your mother go?
Look at these, Daddy.
goes through the
Yeah, those are some big ones.
Put them in a collection.
high school
Come on, before they melt.
will be given
mother go?
$6,000 a year.
She's upstairs talking to Sheila. Sheila got nothing.
Pay for college.
Really?
Yeah.
Not just right now. Earlier, nothing?
Earlier, nothing. Look at the flood. Got wet.
At Arkansas's public university. Murphy Oil will spend the $50 million over
Thanks.
20